Hi, I'm Nayana,
And I'm Saira.
and we're going to be talking about Arctic ice melting, its effects, and how we can help prevent it.
So, what is Arctic ice melting? Arctic melting refers to the significant reduction in the Arctic's ice cover, including sea ice, ice sheets, and glaciers, due to rising global temperatures. This phenomenon is accelerated by the albedo effect, where previously reflective ice surfaces become darker water or land, absorbing more sunlight and further increasing regional temperatures. The melting is primarily driven by human induced climate change, stemming from increased greenhouse gas emissions that enhance the Earth's natural greenhouse effect.
Arctic melting matters because it plays a crucial role in global climate regulation, and its reduction disrupts weather patterns across the world, leading to more extreme conditions such as heat waves and cold spells. The loss of Arctic ice also contributes to rising sea levels, posing a direct threat to coastal cities and populations. Additionally, the rapid changes in the Arctic ecosystem threaten the survival of native wildlife and have significant implications for global biodiversity and indigenous communities that rely on these environments.
This is a video showing satellite images throughout the years. Since 1978, polar orbiting satellites have provided a continuous record of Arctic sea ice, revealing not only the annual cycles of melting and freezing, but also a persistent long-term decline in sea ice extent, most notably around the annual minimum in September. The data, which are crucial for studying changes due to the satellite's ability to monitor in all weather conditions and during polar darkness, show variations in sea ice concentration and extent across different months and years, highlighting significant anomalies and trends. By analyzing these maps, researchers can correlate sea ice changes with other Arctic transformations like air temperature variations and ice age, enhancing our understanding of the broader impacts of climate change in the region.
As you can see through these satellite images, the area of ice in 1984 compared to 2004 and compared to 2024 has decreased drastically.
This is another visual that emphasizes the melting of the Arctic sea ice.
The Arctic and Antarctic function as the Earth's refrigerators, reflecting heat back into space, but diminishing ice cover leads to more severe global weather patterns, including intense heat waves and extreme winters. The loss of ice affects coastal communities by contributing to rising sea levels, which exacerbate flooding and threaten low-lying areas, with the complete melting of the Greenland ice sheet, potentially raising sea levels by 20 feet. Additionally, the melting opens up new hazardous shipping routes in the Arctic, threatens global food security by destabilizing weather conditions essential for agriculture, and leads to wildlife struggles, increasing human-wildlife conflicts as animals search for new habitats.
So, how can we help? To help address the issue of Arctic melting, individuals can reduce their carbon footprint by adopting more sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy sources, minimizing waste, and supporting sustainable transportation options. Advocacy and public engagement are crucial. By educating others about climate change and pressing for strong environmental policies at local, national, and global levels, we can drive collective action towards substantial climate goals. Supporting and participating in reforestation projects and conservation initiatives can also mitigate climate change impacts by preserving biodiversity.